So the type of problem that you are wanting help with, these are not necessarily intuitive. And I'm going to show you how to do them. They're not that difficult, but it's not the way you think about math usually. So let me show you and we'll see what you think. Let me switch cameras. All right, so you've got y plus 2x equals 8. Clearly, there's not much we can do here. We've got two variables and a single number. We cannot combine these two variables. So everything we knew up to this point doesn't fit. What to do, what to do. This is what our answers are going to look like. And this will help you with these kind of problems in the future. You're really creating two pair of coordinates. The first one, we're going to figure out what x is when y is 0. And the second one, we're going to figure out what y is when x is 0. So this is what our answer is going to be. That means, let's come here. What is x when y is 0? So if we make y 0 plus 2x equals 8, well, this all of a sudden became much more doable. 2x equals 8, we can do something with that. Divide out 2, divide out 2, x equals 4. So you've got your first one. You are done with the first one. Now you're going to forget all the stuff you just did. You're going to start with the same equation. This time we're going to zero out x. That will give us y plus 2 times 0 equals 8. And what happens with that is that disappears. Y equals 8. So when I said it's not intuitive, it's not super intuitive to look at a problem and say, oh, well, I'm just going to zero out that and figure out that. But that's exactly what you're doing. This is your ultimate goal, is to have two sets of coordinates. So hopefully that helps. So every problem like this, set up your answer. The first time you're going to zero out y. The second time you're going to zero out x. Do the equation with y is 0. Solve the rest of the equation. Then turn around with the exact same equation, zero out x, and solve for y. Perfect.